what the basic course of Kabbalah can give to you. I have a question. Did God play dice with the universe? There is coincidence or there isn't? According to Einstein, God did not play dice with the universe. Basic principles of Kabbalah are teaching why the universe was created and what mankind came to do on this planet. Most of the people, I'm sorry to say it, but this is a fact, most of us, we do not know what truly we are doing here on planet Earth. We are just juggling life, sometimes good and sometimes better, sometimes God forbid. But this is what most of us we are doing without knowing the rules to the universe. But there are rules to the universe and there is a purpose, and it's a good one, a beautiful one. And the ancient knowledge of Kabbalah, the wisdom of Kabbalah, is teaching it. I'm recommending to you to embark and to join to this journey of learning this wonderful, magical understanding. It's not that complicated. At least the basics are not that complicated. Everyone can join into it. And I'm encouraging you to join right now. The moment that you are going to get in your hands the course, the Kabbalah basic course, you'll immediately be able to understand why the universe was created, what we are doing here, what's the purpose and the benefit of mankind having freedom of choice. It will give you inner insight into life itself. In order to have the benefit from the classes that I'm teaching, at first you need to leave all the prejudice and all that you know on the side, not to forget it, but to open a window to be willing to learn something new, and then to combine the new stuff together with all your life experience and all of your knowledge. But at the beginning, get it clean, without prejudice. By understanding the rule of cause and effect, it will give you more strength to be able to face the challenges of life, to understand why things are happening, and even without understanding, to accept sometimes challenging moments in your life, to be able to accept them positively and to face them with more strength, to be able to overcome the waves of life in a more effective way, better way, with more tranquility, with more certainty. It will give you strength. The study of Kabbalah is important because we are human beings. We are not inanimate or vegetation or animal. We are thinking human beings that need to connect with the light force of God. As such, as being creation of God that is thinking, we need to understand what we are doing here. This is why it's important to study it. Not otherwise, we are coming in and out from this world like an animal without understanding truly what we are doing here.